Welcome to Nattys Crafts. I'm Natalie. I always do all the crafting, and today is another day of I'm not sure what we're going to do. I have a bunch of things that I had purchased for fall, but I have some stuff that I actually need to make. So we'll see what makes it to the video. In the meanwhile, if you would go ahead and give the video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and then make sure to subscribe. Whenever you subscribe, you should hit the bell so that you know when the next video comes out. So let's stop chatting and let's go ahead and go take a look. So we are going to make a fall centerpiece for your dining room table. I'll start with this little Easter sign from Dollar Tree. It's the kind that is like a shadow box. I'm going to cover up the Easter words, Happy Easter I think it said, because it's all glitter and I don't want to paint the bottom of this sign. So I am going to just cover it with some tape so that the glitter doesn't spread like wildfire. So we'll just press that down well, and then we're ready to go. So we're going to take off all the annoying stickers as well as that hanger, because obviously it's a centerpiece, we don't need the hanger. Of course, save that hanger though, because you can use it on a different sign that we can make later. And then we are going to take some floral foam and cut it down to size so that it will go in the middle of the shadow box. And then when I cut both of those pieces out, I did glue those down. My phone was short on memory, so a lot of pieces got cut out, but I did glue those pieces down. Now I made two versions because this first version I was trying to add some color because I thought I'm so boring, I need color in my life. So I was going to use these leaves, this garland leaves of garland from Dollar Tree. So I put that on my little display there, and then I'm going to cover up the floral foam with just some brown moss, reindeer moss I think it is. And then we're going to add a whole bunch of pumpkins. And these, I believe, were all from Dollar Tree. And they are the pumpkins that have the little clips on the back. And so I am just clipping the pumpkins to whatever I can find. The garland was plastic. The pieces that were connecting the leaves was plastic. So that's mostly what I connected the pumpkins to. And when I got done with this, I didn't like it. I don't like that color. It was not for me. It wasn't done right. So I'm going to redo it. So version 2, I just peeled off that garland that I had hot glued. And instead, I'm going to use wire to connect the pumpkins to the floral foam. So I'm just using a pretty heavy floral wire. And then we're just going to redo the pumpkins. And I'm going to do it very symmetrical, so, white on one corner, white on the other, orange in the middle, etc., etc., so that it looks the same somewhat no matter what angle you look at. And then I'm just going to do this over and over again. Just keep adding pieces of wire. I think I ended up with maybe 4 or 5 pieces of wire to connect all the pumpkins that I wanted. Oh, and what I was showing you in that last part, at the ends of the wire, instead of just poking the wire into the foam, I made little loops so that it made it a little bit more substantial when I poked it into the foam. So that's what I was doing there. Sorry, I'm a little late on that. And then you're just going to fill it up with a whole bunch of pumpkins. I put as many as I could possibly fit. And that's much more my style. Very simple, maybe a little bit plain, but I do have some orange and green in there, so it's not just white and black. There's no black anywhere, so surprise, surprise. But I thought it is adorable, and I have a small table, and so it fits perfectly as my centerpiece on my table. And then we're going to make the standard Dollar Tree pillows. So I'm going to use these Gather Together placemats that I believe come out every fall. I've seen them before, I'm pretty sure. And of course I like the black and white, so that's why I grabbed these. And we're just going to take off all these stickers and tags and all of that. And then we're going to cut open the placemat. So we're just going to put a little hole in the corner there, and then this material slit very easily. So just do a slit all the way down. You want your slit to be as close to the edge as possible. And then we're going to put some Velcro down. Now this isn't necessary. You could just hot glue this down, but I'm using this Velcro from Dollar Tree. And so with the Velcro, we're just going to measure out the size that we need and cut it down. And then just place it on the placemat or on our pillow. I didn't use any hot glue or anything. I just used the stickiness of the Velcro to make it stay on there. And I do not have any children or crazy animals that are going to mess with the pillow. It's just me. And if I have a visitor, they're not going to mess with the pillow. So, you know, if you had kids or what have you, you may, or pets, you may want to add some hot glue or fabric glue or something. But all we're going to do is just put the Velcro on either side of the edge of the pillow there. We're going to stuff the pillow as much as we can, or as much as you want, I guess. I'm just using a pillow from Walmart to stuff it. And there you go. The Gather Together pillows, and they are adorable. They are small, but you could fit a pillow in there if you have one of those small side pillows from basically any store. They could fit in there if you wanted to use the Velcro idea. I thank you so much for stopping by Nattys Crafts today. I sure hope you could give the video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and make sure to subscribe. Remember, when you subscribe, you should hit the bell so that you'll know when the next video comes out. Again, I do appreciate you coming by, and make sure to appreciate today, as tomorrow is never promised. Thanks so much. Y'all have a great one.